Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I am going to play with Born Pretty Store's new products. I have here a glow in the dark dipping powder. Guys, check it out. So yeah, these are by the Nicole Diary brand, but they were sent to me by Born Pretty. This particular one, they have several colors, guys, but this is the one that I picked, is NDS06. I can't wait to see it. And the other one, also a Nicole Diary brand. This one is it's the temperature changing. So I will imagine, okay, so orange while it's cool or cold, and it turns white or clear. We shall see, because it's hard to tell from the picture if it's clear or white, when I will assume warm. And this one is NDR10. Again, they have several colors. This is the one that I chose. And so these two are dipping powders. And this right here, guys, have you heard of these? Flower Fairy Gel. Oh my goodness, they are adorable. You guys have to go check them out. They have different colors. This one, and this came completely sealed. I do have the clip. I will insert that clip so you can see when I open it, it was completely sealed. Look at that. So I see, so it's not, some of them have a clear gel or a clear formula with the flowers. Now this one is yellow, so yellow base with the pretty yellow flowers. I can't wait to try them. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to put these tips over my nails, and I'm going to do the dip powders and then an accent nail with the flower gel. So I hope you guys enjoy. guys, so there you saw how well these perform. Oh, that glow in the dark, oh my gosh, it's super bright now. Yeah, remember these are temporary tips, so I'm not keeping them on. I can't wait until I do get to try it on my own nails. And the color changing powder, so pretty. And I will have to say, you saw how I was, while it's a very fine powder, I will have to say it's very dense. So you saw how, and what I mean by that, I'll show you on the clip. When you pull your finger out, the powder doesn't return to it doesn't go back to, you know, filling that cavity after removing your finger. I went ahead and had to tap it, so you will have to do that to re-level the powder for a second dip or for dipping other nails. So yeah, I thought that was kind of a little different, so I don't know what else is mixed up there with that powder. The flower gel, or the flower fairy gel, oh, I'm so in love with it. And I do have another color coming, guys, so I can't wait to get that one as well. But this one, I'm going to say, so this is not, it doesn't act like your paint gel or like regular gel. It acts very much like a builder gel. So application on it will have to go, if you worked with a builder gel before, that's how it goes. That's the viscosity that it has, and that's how you want to apply it for a good coverage of your nail. And let it self-level, because it will self-level very slowly. But that is it, guys. Remember that, as always, I will have the links to these products down in the description bar below, and don't forget to use my code IDUK31 for a 10% discount. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I'd love to know what you think about this mani and these products. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these gorgeous products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.